Hey, what's going on people, Barefox here, and today I am back with another video and I'm going to show you guys all the best settings and optimization for Geforce Now. Make sure to stick around till the end, and I've got a lot of new things in this video as you guys asked me from the previous video, and also we have a Discord server, so make sure to join it from the link in the description below and you guys can talk to me regards to your problems. And also I'm really close to 15k subscribers, so consider subscribing and completing my milestone. It means a lot to me. It took a lot of efforts to make all this video and bring it to you guys, and without wasting up any further ado, let's begin the video. So as you all know, the Geforce Now June update is dropping by and it would be really good and all, but there are little changes in the settings we used to do before, so stick around to the settings I'll be showing you guys right now. Also, I have made a video on how to enable RTX in Geforce Now, so you guys can check that video in the description below or see the card up right. You guys can watch the video from there. Moving ahead, I'll be making this organized, so I'll be moving over with the list of settings. So we'll be talking about internal settings, external settings, DNS settings, command settings, hard settings, and third-party software to improve and optimize your Geforce Now. Firstly, the internal settings. For that, what you have to do is open up your Geforce Now and go to the settings section. Over there in the server location, I highly recommend you guys to use auto, and the streaming quality, go to custom and put the exact same settings. The max bitrate should be 15 Mbps, the resolution should be 1280 by 720, 16:9. The frame rate should be 60 fps or 30 fps, that depends upon the internet speed. The vsync rate should be off and the adjust for poor connections should be turned on. If you are done with that, just make sure to disable the Discord rich presence and make sure to enable the direct mouse input. Now if you guys don't see this option, follow the second thing that we're going to be talking about, that is the external settings. For external settings, search for Geforce Now and hit open file location. Now over here you'll be going to these shortcuts. Over there you have to open file location once again, and then you are in the Geforce Now directory. Now once you are here, what you have to do is basically go to geforcenow.json, right click on that, go to properties and make sure that read only and hidden are unchecked. If you guys don't find this file, don't worry, go to this view section and make sure that the hidden file items is turned on. Over here, come back and hit edit. If you don't see the option edit, make sure to open with and use notepad. Hit OK. Alright, now once you are here, you'll be having these settings like GFN accelerator. So this is something that you can play around. If you guys get a black screen error or a lot of errors, you can switch it back to 10, or you can even go to 9 if you have a really potato PC. For me, I'm having an RTX 2070 Super, so I don't have to worry about it. I keep it 12 or 11, it works for me. Then scroll all the way down and make sure that we have the SDL vsync true, and make sure the NVSDL resizable true, the NVSDL IOHID configurable true, and the HIDPI true. Now in the last video I've played with this setting, so if you want to know how to enable RTX and if you don't see this option, just make sure to check out that video. Using this you can enable RTX in your Geforce Now. Now once done with that, hit save, hit close and go back to Geforce Now, and then you'll see the option for direct mouse input. Thirdly, we're going to be talking about DNS settings, and a lot of guys get confused over here, but don't worry, this is a really simple part. All you have to do is go to the control panel and just follow the way I'm going through. Make sure you go to network and internet, the network and sharing center, and over there click on Ethernet and go to properties. Okay, so scroll all the way down until you find the Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on that and use the following DNS server addresses. Copy the same, preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4, and hit OK and hit close. It's that simple how you have to do it. Fourthly, we are moving over the command settings, and for this you definitely need a command prompt, so I highly recommend you guys open up your command prompt and follow the exact same commands that I'm going to be typing. First is ipconfig/release. Once done, type in ipconfig/release /renew. Alright, now type in ipconfig /flush DNS and your connection is really good now. Fifthly is playing around with the hard settings, and once again you have to open up your control panel and then over here in the search bar type in power and you'll see something called power option. You have to go over to there and make sure that you have something called high performance. Also, another thing that you can do is type in network reset and go over to there and hit reset now, hit yes and restart your PC once and your network would be resetted, so any cache files that would be overloading your internet or your ethernet would stop. Next thing I want to tell you guys is that you have to open up your Geforce Now. So I'll be opening up my Geforce Now, and suppose I want to play Fortnite for an instance of Geforce Now, so I'll recommend you guys go and make a desktop shortcut. Now once you have made a desktop shortcut, alright, once you are in the shortcut properties, what you have to do is go to compatibility and make sure that you have disabled full screen optimizations and change DPI settings, override DPI settings, hit application, hit OK, hit apply and hit OK. Doing that, you will actually reduce a lot of input delay, and the DPI that you use while moving your mouse would be the exact DPI you will be using over the cloud server. So you're overriding the DPI changes between your PC and the cloud PC, so it's gonna be helping you a lot. And lastly, I'm gonna talk about the third-party softwares, but I'm not gonna be covering that in this video. I've already made a guide in the previous video about that, so I'll be leaving a link to that in the description below, because if I'm gonna be covering that thing, the video would be really long and you guys might not be interested in seeing that. If you guys want to use those third-party software to increase the performance or optimize your Geforce Now, you guys can watch that video. I've completely shown you guys what applications to use. I've told you guys to use the applications like MemReduct, running an antivirus, NetLimiter 4, and a lot of things are there, so you guys can just go and check that out. It's going to be really helpful for all of you. So guys, that is all for this one. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel since we are really close to 15k subscribers. Also comment down below if this video helps you out or not, and if you want me to make a video on another topic, don't hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching Barefox, and peace out.